Bonjour everybody, hope you're great and welcome back to my channel. If you're new and you don't know me, what's up? I'm OsvalDior and shout out to all my haters. So today we're gonna talk about my first ever Chanel bag. Woo, oh la la, I can't believe like it's been like 5 years I looking for a Chanel bag. I don't want this because I don't know, I don't want that. Like a Chanel bag between you and me is very expensive. So that's why I just think about 5 years. Okay, if I buy it or not. I just go to Chanel store and I watching everything. I just like I didn't fall in love about the bag and everything like that. So that's why we're gonna reveal my first Chanel bag right now. Are you ready? Are you ready? So let's go with that. So first of all, it's right here. My Chanel bag. I'm so excited because I don't know, like it's my first Chanel bag, and when you are so excited for something new and like first time, you get excited, right? So this Chanel, like I'm gonna show you right now, is a vintage Chanel. Oh my god, why I bought like a vintage Chanel? Because the new Chanel one, I don't like that much the shape because it's a little bit too feminine for me. The new one, the new collection and etc., it was too feminine, and me, I want something more mixed or like unisex, you know what I mean? So that's why I waited for 5 years and I searched for everywhere to find a beautiful Chanel bag. And then when I see it, this beautiful Chanel vintage, very, if you see it, it's not look like vintage, and for the price bitch, please, it's like the same thing of a new one, so makes sense. So are you ready for that? Me, I'm ready because the bag is like this. You can see it's like a vintage Dutch bag but still like clean. So are you ready to see it? Yes. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and voila, this beautiful Chanel bag. So this one is a vintage Chanel 8 flap back lambskin. Oh my god. And do you see, like they don't have no scratch and they're still shining like a diamond. And look in the back, like bitch, please, everything was perfect. So that's why I get it, because me with vintage I just like I just like it's so picky with that. But when I see this one, I just like everybody like oh, they calling me. So that's why I just like, oh, should I get it? Should I don't get it? Should I get it? I just whatever we leave one. So YOLO. I just say I don't care. I gotta take this Chanel bag, and this is what it looks like. It's totally beautiful. This one I have a lot of compliment because it's been 2 weeks I using this. I love compliment a lot. Oh my god, this Chanel bag is so beautiful and it feels so buttery, so smooth. That's what I like it about lambskin. Like, so let's open like this. So you see that they have a lock here, and the chains right there is so marvelous. Like, oh my god. So this is what it looked at the inside. I already have my stuff here, so it's a mini one, but they can fit like what you need to go out. You know what I mean? You don't need that much of stuff because they cannot fit everything, but you can see inside. So we gonna my Chanel glasses, sunglasses. So this is what it look like. Ooh, I think I have a lot of stuff here. Let's take it off. My Guerlain Rouge with my name there. Do you see my name here? Yeah, OsvalDior. Ooh, I feel so bougie when I have this one. So the inside, you can see it's red leather lining. So they have 2 pockets. They have one zipper, you can see it here. You can put in your keys. One open slip, like into 3 compartments. So you can see here, like I don't know, where's my car and where's the identity of, it's a new like identity of Chanel. So this is what it look like. So that's mean like it's a real one, it's not a fake one. Bitch, please, all the haters, go away. Take that, hater. They say carte d'authenticité. It's in French. I feel so French. Do you want to read it in French? Nous certifions. Oh my god, I started badly. So, okay. Nous certifions l'authenticité de cet article soumis au contrôle les plus rigoureux et dont la haute qualité symbolise le renom de notre marque, Chanel. Ooh, this feel like, ooh, I feel like goosebumps when I say that in French. It's so pretty talking in French. Whatever. This is the card for identity, so that's mean like it's a real Chanel bag. Do you see a scratch there? I didn't see nothing, and what I like is so shiny like a diamond. And this bag is on the 90s. Like what the hell? Like 90 it's been like 20 years old. They make it this bag and it's still flawless. You see, if you buy something like expensive, girl, bitch, please, it's gonna survive for the eternity. So this is what it look like. So with the chain you can do it crossbody like I did. Because me, I use it for a crossbody. For be honest, I don't put it like this. This one is too feminine for me, and this is too much for me. If I put it like that, no mercy. I put it in crossbody, and you see it fits so well. I put it right here. I put it in front. Oh, it's looking like so beautiful. I'm gonna leave it like that. So this one is lambskin. Why lambskin? Because everybody tell me. Oh, not everybody tell me. Like everybody complain like canvas with the lambskin, and the other one is calfskin. So this one they have 3 kind of skin like Chanel make it, and me totally I like the lambskin because it feels so buttery, so soft. And you see everybody tell me like, oh, they have some scratch or it's so like delicate. Like bitch, please wear, because I don't see nothing of scratch there. Like do you see something? No, it's still shiny. And they said the caviar is more like, it's more strong and more durable, but I don't know. For me, the lambskin is so much better because it's filled up luxury for me. Write it down below if you have a Chanel canvas or calfskin for see like the difference, because this one I really like it, and it's been 28 years they make it this bag and they don't have no scratch. Maybe I don't know, but oh, this is so pretty as well. So it's made in France and is, yeah, you can see we're gonna compare it with my new Chanel bag like here and with the new one. You see the new one have a little bit of shade more feminine. It's this one is more cavias. They make it, but they have in lambskin as well. But you see just the shape is like a little bit more feminine than this one. This one is more universal, like everybody can wear it. And you see like what's good, what's good. It's so pretty. I really like it, this bag. So that's why it took me 5 years to buy it and search it for Chanel bag, because I have Louis Vuitton. I have a lot of bags, to be honest. Like, and me, I just like, oh my god, I want a Chanel bag. I searching for everywhere, every store and online and everything like that, and I didn't like it, everything except this one. They calling me, and that's why I buy it, because girl, please, we live just once, so you have to enjoy your life. Take that. So for conclusion, oh my god, if you have a Chanel bag, reach me out, because I want to see what Chanel bag you have, if it's lambskin, canvas or calfskin. So just write me there, because me, I have my new one. It's so pretty and so chic. Like that's why this is the inspiration of today. I don't have no highlight at all matte. Do you like my style right now? So different because it's Chanel. What? Take that, Givenchy. Take that, Dior. Take that, Yves Saint Laurent. Because Chanel is the best one. So, this is the end of the video. So, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave message down below. And don't forget, you're beautiful. You're handsome. You're awesome. So, bye guys. See you every Thursday for a new video.